What's up YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to roundhouse kick properly the way it was shown to me in Thailand by Namsaknoi on his club back in 2017. And for me, the way I like to approach or teaching the roundhouse was almost exactly how I was shown. Step straight, rotate the arms for momentum. As you kick, pivot horizontally on the standing leg, and you almost come into a side plank position, keeping your guard up and eyes on the target. Try not to cross your feet as you're about to kick. Big mistake, you're gonna be off balance. Don't cross your feet and try to kick, okay? It's not gonna work. Step into like a 45-degree angle, and then go. Try to keep a straight leg. Some people will bend and then extend at the end. I'm gonna try to show you that right now. You could swing like a bat, right? Step, pivot, keep swinging from the hip. Okay? The other version is up and through, keeping a bent leg, and then extending it at the last second. Following a line, so it's kind of direct. And I saw that one watching Sylvie's Muay Thai channel when she did her session with Sagat, which is like here, which is round one, and then there's a direct. You can play with both, but I'm just gonna like lay into the bag now, and you can see how I apply it, okay? The big things that help me get to generate the power, proper mechanics: step, rotate your arms as you're about to kick, pivot, get up on the tiptoe. Also building flexibility, middle splits, center splits, strength, squats, deadlifts, tired, lunges, things like that. Bodyweight exercises, plyometrics, flexibility, strength, power, right? Building up your core, and overall, just drilling. Over and over and over again, okay? Give that a try. Let me know what you think. Let me know how those tips go for you. A lot of times you'll see people pivot early. I try not to, only for momentum and balance reasons. And again, that's how I was shown by Namsaknoi and by his trainers on that camp at the time. But other than that, peace.